When your comfort zone heater displays an E1 error code, it's indicating a critical safety issue that needs immediate attention. The E1 error specifically indicates a problem with the high temperature limit switch or a communication error within the heater's safety system. This safety feature automatically shuts off the heater to prevent damage or fire hazards. Now let's walk through the initial troubleshooting steps to resolve this error. Step 1. Reset the heater. First, unplug the heater from the power outlet completely. Wait 5 to 10 minutes to allow the heater to cool down completely. Then plug it back in and turn it on. Step 2. Check the heater's environment. Ensure the heater is not in an enclosed space or positioned near flammable materials. Make sure all vents are unblocked and clean. Dust and debris can restrict airflow, causing the heater to overheat and trigger the E1 error. Step 4. Verify the power connection. Make sure the power cord is securely connected directly to a working wall outlet. Avoid using extension cords or power strips. If the E1 error persists after completing these initial troubleshooting steps, the issue may require more advanced diagnosis and repair procedures. When basic troubleshooting fails to resolve the E1 error, the problem likely involves the high limit switch or internal wiring connections. The high limit switch is a critical safety component that shuts off power when the heater overheats. If this switch is faulty, it may trigger the E1 error even when temperatures are normal. For mini split systems, the E1 error may indicate communication problems between indoor and outdoor units. Check all wiring connections for security and damage. Safety is paramount when dealing with electrical heating equipment. Never attempt electrical repairs without proper training and equipment. Never operate a heater with damaged cords or plugs. Damaged electrical components pose serious fire and shock hazards. Space heaters are a leading cause of home fires. If the E1 error persists after basic troubleshooting, contact Comfort Zone customer service or a qualified technician immediately. Remember these essential safety practices. Always unplug before maintenance, ensure stable placement, and never insert foreign objects into the heater.